Hi everyone, Nadia here from Oxigo. If you've been using CPAP therapy for a while, you probably know how important regular maintenance is. But do you know when to replace the different parts of your CPAP setup, like your mask, tubing, or feeders? In this video, we go through everything you need to know to keep your therapy clean, effective, and comfortable. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow Oxigo on social media. We share weekly tips to help you get the most out of your CPAP and oxygen therapy. Let's start with your mask, the part that you wear every night. Even if it looks fine, the silicone cushion and headgear wear out over time. You might notice air leaks, a looser fit, or more noise than usual. That's a sign it's time to replace it. As a rule of thumb, the cushion should be replaced every 3 to 6 months and the entire mask every 6 to 12 months, depending on use and care. Your tubing is next. Over time, it can develop small cracks or become discolored, especially if moisture builds up inside. This can affect pressure delivery and even cause bacteria growth. So it's best to replace the tubing every 6 months or sooner if you notice visible wear. Feeders are essential for keeping dust and allergens out of your device and your lungs. If you use disposable feeders, replace them every month or more often if your environment is dusty. Reusable feeders can be washed weekly, but still need replacing every 3 to 6 months to stay effective. And don't forget your humidifier chamber. Over time, minerals from tap water can build up even if you clean it regularly. Better is to use distilled water and replace the water chamber about once a year or sooner if you see cracks or cloudy buildup. Replacing these parts regularly isn't just about hygiene, it's about therapy quality. Fresh parts help your CPAP deliver the right pressure, stay quiet, and feel comfortable all night long. It can also prevent irritation or infections. If you're unsure which parts need replacing or want to find the right accessories for your CPAP machine, visit our website oxigo.co. We will help you keep your therapy in top shape. And if you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who might benefit. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next video.